ChenAnHui, certified globally, implanted reliably. From FDA to TGA, from Europe to Asia. Wherever certification reaches, confidence follows. 6 products, cervical to sacroiliac. Expandable cage, 15-degree lordotic, 33% less adjacent degeneration. CBT screws, 30% higher pullout. 3D mesh, 80% porosity. 2x bone ingrowth. Dynamic rod, preserves motion. 0 profile plate, 40% less dysphagia risk. SI system, 95% fusion rate. Dynamic rod, 98% 2-year survival in Europe. CE MDR, FDA, PMDA, TGA, full market access. 48 HR air freight to Middle East. DDP to Latin America. 10-year warranty. Halal certified. IFU in 8 languages. ChenAnHui, your trusted ortho partner.